Welcome or welcome back to the channel. I'm Tequila B with TruLuv Designz, and this is officially my first episode of Friday Sews for 2024. First things first, let's talk about some patterns that I picked up. I did have the opportunity to shop the first Joann sale for Simplicity Patterns, where they were $1.99 during the weekend of January 4th to January 7th. I didn't get to catch it the first day, but I did catch it on Friday the 5th, and I was so glad because the patterns that I was looking for were there. I try to catch it at least like by the first or second day so that I don't miss out on any patterns, because usually if I go on the end, I have a hard time finding what I'm looking for. So I'll share those with you. The first one that I picked up was Simplicity S9679, and this is an easy to sew pattern, and it is described as a Mrs. Knit top with sleeve variations. It's this pattern here, and view C is my favorite view. I do like the bishop sleeves on this one, and honestly I like this one as well. So I will probably make all variations of this top, but the one that's really speaking to me now is view C, which is also the view that the model is wearing. Next, I have Simplicity S9372, and this pattern runs in sizes extra, extra small to extra, extra large, and it is described as a Mrs. Knit dress and shrugs. What I like about this pattern is that this is a good way to build your wardrobe, especially if you need some things that can like be worn with more than one garment. This view here in the middle is view A, and it is, I'm calling it the main view, which is the dress, which I love. I love the fit. I love everything about it. And then you have B, C, D, and E. These are all some form of wrap, shrug, or sweater of some sort, and I like all of them. So I do know that I'm going to make all of these because these will come in so handy for me. I'm always cold, and especially when I'm in the office, it's a good little, wrap to have where there's nothing big, bulky, and, just heavy, just something light and easy to throw on. Then I had to look through the pattern books for this one because I did not have this on my list. I've been looking for a pattern for an ironing board cover, and I actually had to look through the catalog to find this one because I didn't exactly know where it would be. And this is Simplicity S9444, and the ironing board cover is view E down here at the bottom. It was suggested to me before to use my old ironing board cover as a template, but I didn't want to deal with the snapping and shrinking up due to the elastic in that. I didn't want to hassle with that, so I went ahead and bought this pattern, and I have some cute little fabric that I think I want to use for that ironing board cover. I just really got to make myself go ahead and do it because those ironing board covers get tainted, and we tend not to really worry so much about them, but I think they're just as important to change out as anything else. Next, let's talk about the fabric. So, there was this Arctic blast going on, and my husband surprised me and took off Sunday and was here at home, and we said, well, let's go ahead and hit the store before it gets too bad, and we did. While I was there, I checked out the fabric bundles. I know I shouldn't, but I did. And I found this leopard print fabric here. This is a cotton bundle. It was 2 yards for $4. And I really, really like it. I don't have this color at all. So I think this is very kind of new and refreshing. Of course, the pattern, you've seen it a million times. It is my favorite animal print, and you will not stop seeing it here. You will continue to see it because I love it. But I do have some ideas for this. Just don't know exactly what I want to do with it. Now, we got all the way back home, and I started having some remorse about not picking up another bundle of fabric that I saw, and it was just really weighing heavy on me, just really calling my name saying, come back and get me. And so I was talking to my husband and I was like, I should have gotten that fabric. And he knew which one I was talking about because he actually told me to go ahead and get it. And I was like, nah, I don't need it. But he decided he needed some snacks as well, which I had also told him to get while we were there. So we both won. We went back to Walmart and I picked up this second bundle of fabric. It is also 2 yards for $4. And this is also cotton. I'm not sure exactly what kind of fabric it is, but I want to show you something. So what caught my eye when we were in the store is that this fabric had a white background with these like silver, like kind of small giraffe print on it, if that's what you want to call it. I don't know. That's what caught my eye. But once I got home, I realized that I might have been looking at the wrong side of the fabric. And I actually think the right side of the fabric is this side here, the silver background with the white dots. Hopefully you can see the difference. So this is side 1, the silver with the white print. And then this is side 2, the white background with the silver print. Now, I don't know. I really want to use the white side with the silver print because that's what caught my eye and that's what I like about it. But I really believe that's the wrong side of the fabric. And I may just use that side anyway because, I mean, you really can't tell. It's not a huge difference and it doesn't look bad or anything. So, I don't know. That's a choice. I don't know. That's a decision that I still have to make, but I do have some ideas for structured garments, and this will definitely have to be a structured garment. And yeah, I'm excited about that. I really like that, and I was glad my husband took me back to the store that day. So yeah. So I ended up also being off on Monday because our office was closed due to the weather. My husband had also taken off. So we were home together to enjoy those 2 days, which I really appreciated. I did get some sewing done, but we'll talk about that in a later video. Next, I want to talk about what I've been working on this week. So we're also only a week away from my birthday. Although when you see this video, it'll be a lot closer. I've had plans to make my birthday dress for a long time. What pattern I was going to use, didn't know. I finally picked out 6 and narrowed those down to 3. Let me show you the 3 patterns that I am considering. I want to at least do 2, if not all 3. And I may only get 1 done, but who knows? We'll see. The first one is McCall's M8037. I've seen this on so many people and it is absolutely gorgeous on everybody that has made it. Like, I haven't seen it look bad or be ill-fitting on anyone yet. So I feel I can't go wrong with this. There's only, I think there's 7 pattern pieces to this pattern. Yep, there's 7 pattern pieces to this pattern. And if you're just looking at the line drawings on the front and the back, it doesn't look like it's going to be very complicated at all, which is what helped me narrow this down to these 3 patterns. Last minute Tequila, and I knew I would need something that wouldn't really challenge me. The next one is M7999. I love sweater dresses, and I love the makes that I have seen out of this as well. And this pattern is only 6 pieces and easy to construct. If you made a t-shirt or a dress, you know how simple, just by looking at it, that this is going to be. So, going for easy. The next one is McCall's M8339. Another easy pattern, and I'm not sure how many pieces is in this pattern, but again, it's a very simple dress. The only thing that might give me a little problem is a knot, but I think I can manage it. So those are my 3 choices for my birthday dress. I at least want to make 2. I don't know which 2. Leave me a comment below on which 2 you think I should make if you were making 2 last minute dresses. Yeah. But That's all the excitement for this week. Of course, I will update you on the dresses or the dress that I choose for my birthday dress. It'll all be here on the tube, of course. So without further ado, I hope you've liked this video and have decided to subscribe. Leave me a comment below on which dress or dresses you think I should or I will make. And yeah, share this video with a friend. Until next time, keep sewing.